hotel is this? Yeah.
No, Mr. Joker. You don't know me, but I know you. My name is John Kramer. But you might know me as... Jigsaw.
Jigsaw? Oh, you have a pathetic name. Joker's much better. It's classy, it's fun.
I want to play a game.
So you're like the Riddler, but old. Yes, that's you.
Is an electric fuse.
Ooh.
If I were to turn this, you would die instantly.
Sounds fun. Why don't we give it a try?
I don't think you fully understand that it's your life on the line right now.
I dare you to turn that little knob. Do it! My chicken saved my butt!
I don't think you fully understand the meaning behind my ways.
Your ways, eh?
Yes. I believe in rehabilitation. And teaching people the meaning and value of their lives.
So you're basically a crackpot with nothing to kill. Woo! Oh, come on, Jiggy.
I don't think you understand the purpose behind my rehabilitation. I'm here to show you the error of your ways. And if today hasn't been successful for you, then I'm afraid I'm going to have to be with you for quite a while.
Tisk, Jiggy. I have a girlfriend. You can't be with me all the time.
You don't understand what I'm asking. I'm trying to make you my next apprentice.
I'll have to think about it, Jiggy, because I'm not an apprentice. I'm the ringleader.
No, there'll be no thinking beyond tonight.
That's a shame.
It is now or never, Joker.
And if I say never...
Then you'll die.
I thought you were a passionate killer. One who didn't enjoy killing, but just accidentally killed his foes. Or prey, or
I've
whatever
never
you call
killed
it.
anyone before in my life. I give them a chance.
See, and that's why you're a pansy.
Just like I'm going to give you a chance.
And what's that chance, Jiggy?
Now, I'm giving you a chance, Joker. Take it or leave it.
To die or not to die? That's never really the question, is it? No. Jiggy, what are you doing? I mean, you've got my hands tied behind my back. You're over there doing I don't know what. Are you trying to make a porno with me? Because that would be disturbing, man.
Now you're going to cooperate, Joker. Work with me and learn the error of your ways. Or feel the pain you've ensued upon others. Live or die. Make your choice.
Let's see. Have Chicky here protect me from your electricity, or go with you. Tick tock, tick tock. Fine, Jiggy, you win. Finish me off!
Very well, Joker.
That was refreshing. Now, Jiggy, where's the real fun? I think you broke it.
Well, Joker, it's clear we have more rehabilitating to do. Now, we'll work more in the morning. I'll try not to smear your makeup.